A settlement under which the New Zealand mountain has been granted the same legal right as a person has become law after years of negotiation. It means Taranaki Maunga, that is Mount Taranaki, will effectively own itself with representative of the local tribes and the EB government working together to manage it. The agreement aims to compensate Maori from the Taranaki region from the injustices done to them during the colonization, including widespread land confiscation. We must acknowledge the hurt that has been caused by the past wrongdoings so we can look to the future to support EB to realize that our own aspirations and opportunities are greater, Paul Goldsmith, the government minister responsible for the negotiation, said. The Taranaki Maunga Collective Redress Bill was passed into law by the New Zealand's Parliament on Thursday, giving the mountain a legal name and protecting its surrounding peaks and lands. It also recognizing Maori worldview that natural features including mountains are ancestors and living beings. Today, Taranaki, our Maunga Tupuna, that is the ancestral mountain, is released from the shackles of the injustices, of ignorance, of hate, said Debbie Packer, the co-leader of the political party Te Pāti Maori. Packer also among one of the 8 Taranaki EB on New Zealand's west coast to whom the mountain is sacred. Hundreds of other Maori from the area also turned up at the Parliament on Thursday to see the bill become law. The mountain will no longer be officially known as Egmont, the name that was given by the British explorer James Cook in the 18th century, and instead be called as the Taranaki Maunga, while the surrounding national park will also be given its Maori name. Aisha Campbell, who is also from the Taranaki EV, told One News that it was important for her to be at the event and that the mountain is what connects us and what binds us together as a people. The Taranaki Maunga settlement in the latest that has been reached with the Maori is an attempt to provide compensation for breaches of the Treaty of Waitangi, which also established New Zealand as a country and granted indigenous people certain rights to their lands and resources. The settlement also came with an apology from the government for the confiscation of Mount Taranaki and more than 1 million acres of land from the locals Maori in the 1960s. Paul Goldsmith also acknowledged that the breaches of the treaty mean that immense and compounding harm have been inflicted upon the Vanau, that is the wider family and EV of Taranaki, causing immeasurable harm over many decades. He added that it has been agreed that access to the mountain would not change and that all New Zealanders will be able to continue to visit and enjoy the most magnificent place for generations to come. The mountain is not the first of the New Zealand's natural features to be granted legal parenthood. In 2024 and the 2014, the Urigawa Native Forest became the first to gain such status, followed by the Wanganui River in 2017.